Transforming your vibrant Photoshop creations into professional PDF files is essential for sharing and printing, and we'll show you exactly how to do it. First, with your Photoshop document open and ready, navigate to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Save As, or in newer versions, Save a Copy. This will bring up the Save dialog box. In the Format drop-down menu, scroll down and choose Photoshop PDF. Now choose where you want to save your PDF and give it a clear, descriptive file name. Once you've done that, click Save. This is where the magic happens. The Photoshop PDF preset browser will appear for professional-grade PDFs, especially for print. I highly recommend selecting High-Quality Print. From the presets, this option is designed to preserve the most detail and color accuracy. Click Save PDF now. To proceed, you'll then see the main PDF saving options dialog box. Under the General tab, ensure that Preserve Photoshop Editing Capabilities is unchecked while useful for editing. It significantly increases file size and is generally unnecessary for a final PDF for printing or distribution. Next, go to the Compression tab for the best image quality, especially for print. Set your downsampling options carefully if printing. Aim for at least 300 pixels per inch for images that are larger than what's needed at that resolution if distributing digitally and file size is a concern. You can consider a slightly lower resolution, but always prioritize clarity. Moving to the Output tab clarifies color handling if you're sending to a specific print provider. They might have specific color profile requirements otherwise. For general use, leaving the default settings for color conversion is usually fine for print. Ensure you're outputting in CMYK if that's what your project requires. In the Advanced tab, make sure Embed Fonts is selected. This ensures that your text will display correctly on any computer, regardless of whether they have your specific fonts installed. Finally, once you've reviewed all your settings, click the Save PDF button. Your high-quality, professional PDF file is now created and ready to be shared or printed.